How to verify your OANDA account? First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap on the sign in button. Then a browser will open where you need to enter your email address and password to continue. If your OANDA account has not been verified yet, the system will prompt you to complete verification by first selecting your country on the following page. After selecting your country, enter your email address and password again. Then provide your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and phone number. Tap Confirm and Continue to move ahead. Next, confirm your citizenship and enter your SSN or TIN number in the required field. If you are not a US citizen, select your country and upload proof of settlement with a valid ID card. Then tap Confirm and Continue. Now provide your residential address including street, city, state, and zip code and confirm to proceed. After this, enter your employment status, income details, and trading experience as required. Finally, verify your identity using a driver's license or passport. It will take a short time for your documents and details to be reviewed, and once approved, your account will be fully verified. Now you know how to verify your OANDA account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.